you know what's happened here is that although this is the profile image group, this one is not. So I double click on it, paste it in there. It's going to be on the bottom, copy, paste, put it on top of this one. Now it should still not in the group. That's just things you're going to have happen. So I'm just going to quickly just get this back in here. Right? I already put it in the group. Move it over here. What you can do also is click on your background color, and then you can zoom in on this guy by putting Command and then plus or minus on the screen, or you can push the control key and your scroll button and it will resize it for you. So you could see it. So you see that? It's right on top there. See that? Right? You had a very weird thing happen. So get back here. Get back there. For some reason it's like, oh, I know. Yeah, we actually do want it to crop it. I mean to fill the space so that it's exactly a circle. I'm wrong earlier. And you know, we can get it better centered or whatever. I can see it's not fully centered even though it thinks it's centered. That's the kind of annoying thing you have to deal with sometimes. Alright, you know, not too bad. It's not perfect. I can just maybe push it up more. So you'll see that we have that halo around it. And I said you could make that white. I think white might look a little cooler. So I'm going to go into the group. And then I'm going to go to this ellipse here. And I'm going to make this. I don't want a border. And I'm going to make it white. I think I like white more than gray. But that's a preference. So... and there you go. So now you've got a profile image that shows up when the user, you know, logs in. It's pretty awesome. Okay, guys, this is enough for this video. I'll catch you in the next video. We'll do something more awesome. Okay, guys, I'm back. So now that we have a basic application, it doesn't do a lot, but it does have some kind of functionality. What we also might want to do is, you know, we don't have that button at the top, which we had before, which I removed. So I'm going to go ahead and add that button back. I'm going to go into there, and I'm going to add the icon again. Now you can either get the icon by going to navigation, or, I mean buttons, or you can just type icon up here, which I think is easier for me. And then I can drag that icon into there. And then I'm going to go in, I'm going to say exit because I know that's the icon. I'm going to choose white as the color. And then I'm going to add an action. And the action I want is to link. I don't want to link it yet. I want to more, user login, log out. And I want to add the next action, which we have done before. And I want to go to sign up. I don't want it to do a push. I just want it to just go there. So now we fixed the issue with, and you notice how maybe it's not exactly lined up there, so maybe I move it a little bit. I don't know. You know, you can put it where you want it, but it should be lined up with your app so that you know your app is looking good. All right. So now that we've done that, next thing I want to do is I want to make like a theme. The theme meaning that I want for every one of my pages to have a similar header. For watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Just continue on to the next video, and we'll just continue where we left off. Thanks. Like, share, subscribe. Awesome.